jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells roll. Hey guys, it is Vlogmas day 15. I look a little bit crazy right now, but if you didn't see yesterday's vlog, it'll be linked down below. I am going to the Chiefs versus Broncos game, so I have on some orange colored lipstick, blue eyeliner. Here is my outfit so far. Just an orange Broncos shirt. I was going to wear this one, however, I'm going to be in different layers. These are the only pair of jeans that would fit over leggings, but they aren't actually ripped. They have the blue patches under them, so I'm wearing sweater leggings under these. Ugg boots with some fuzzy socks. Like I said, I have some orange makeup on. I'll insert pictures of what else I'm wearing. Joey is bringing another blue Bronco shirt and then a gray Bronco hoodie, and then I'll be wearing my coat over that, and then I bought myself an orange and blue Bronco beanie. It's going to be snowing, and then tomorrow it's also going to be snowing, so we can get up to 8 inches. And it's going to be cold up in the stadium, so it's going to be a little bit freezing, so no one's really going to get to see your whole outfit. But we're going to the Bronco versus Chiefs game. If you don't know, I live in Kansas, and so normally most people are a Chiefs fan, and we're obviously going to the Chiefs stadium. I'm a Denver fan, so I get booed at, but that's okay. And Joey's also a Chiefs fan, so I'm not going to bring my camera to the game because it's going to be snowing, cold. I don't want to lose it, and that's more things I will have to keep track of. Plus, my camera will get wet from the snow, so I'm probably just going to vlog on my phone. Obviously, the game starts at noon. It'll go probably till like 3 or 3:30. He'll be here around 10 because we're going to go to Quick Trip and then start heading there. And like I said, since it's snowing, it's going to be crazy and a mess and cold. But anyways, I will update you guys when we get there.
Yeah, no wonder the roads aren't getting salted because the salt truck wrecked. The salt truck, the guy who's not supposed to slide, who has the biggest truck for salt. And he wrecked. So this is going well. Look, you're in Chiefs stuff and I'm in Broncos stuff. Chiefs. No, Broncos. Thumbs up this video for Broncos. This is awful, you guys. You can't even see the road. Where is the lane? Where? I don't see it. That's a fail. No one can get up that hill. Literally, he keeps reversing to try to get up.
I feel like I should try that.
Look at that truck go. We're almost there to the stadium.
Arrowhead Stadium.
We're making it after this long line of cars.
They're smart.
First and 10, Chiefs at the 46-yard line.
It's cold. It's so cold.
He's going to hit Chris Carter on this one. It goes 16 yards for the catch and run. And 30-yard Chiefs cheerleaders.
So the Broncos lost.
Made it to the car. It's literal freaking blizzard outside. I look like this, and just took off my first layer, covered in snow. Joey's cleaning the car off with his arm because he forgot his snow scraper. So, well, the Broncos lost. We're stuck in traffic 45 minutes. We both have to pee really bad. I'm cold. And my dad's making dinner, break perk whenever I actually get home. And I have another paper to write. And there's already accidents all over the place. And he has another 40-minute drive home after that. And snow, it finally stopped, if you guys can see. So, yeah, update on my day. But, you know, you should still thumbs up for Broncos because it's my channel. So, like...
Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here so I can edit it and get it uploaded for you guys. I changed into pajamas, took off all my wet, snowy clothes, but I did have fun. It was worth it. I didn't have to work today, so I didn't have to really drive in it. So yeah, it's supposed to snow a little bit more tomorrow. And I have work in the morning at 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. But I'm done with school. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna, wash off my makeup, get ready for bed. I just submitted a paper that was due tonight. I have one more essay and it's due Tuesday, but I'm gonna work on it tomorrow. I'm pretty tired, still a little bit stuffy, so I'm gonna try to get some rest because I have to be up early. I work a long shift tomorrow if they're still open. I'm pretty sure Gap's not gonna close. It's retail, it's holiday season. They did close early today, I heard, so we'll see what happens, how bad the roads are. Wish me luck. Yesterday's vlog will be linked down below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.